Today we are reviewing System.io and answering a simple question. Is this platform really simple but powerful? If you have ever tried to building an online business, you know how quickly software cost can add up. You may need a funnel builder, email marketing platform, course hosting, software, website builder, affiliate marketing management tool, and automation software. But before long, you could be paying for 5 or 6 different subscriptions for every month. This is exactly the problem System.io is trying to solve. Instead of using multiple tools, the platform combine everything into one dashboard. But does it actually work well, or is it trying to do too many things at once? So let's find out that. But before that, welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you to discover useful software tools with special deals and discounts. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to check the link from description, because by using the description link, discount will be applied automatically. Now let's come to the main part of the video. First, let's talk about what System.io actually does. System.io is an all-in-one business platform that combines sales funnels, email marketing, online courses, website, blog, automation, affiliate marketing management, and digital product selling all in one dashboard. The goal is to give entrepreneurs everything they need without requiring multiple software subscriptions. One of the biggest reasons people choose System.io is simplicity. Many competing platforms have dozens of menus and advanced settings that can overwhelm beginners. System.io takes a much simpler approach. The interface is designed to be easy and understandable, even if you have never built a funnel or launched an online business before. Now let's start with Funnel Builder. This is one of the platform's most popular features. You can create landing pages, sales pages, opt-in pages, checkout pages, and complete sales funnels using a drag and drop editor. This allows beginners to build marketing funnels without needing coding skills. Another major feature is email marketing. System.io allows you to create email campaigns, newsletters, sequences, and follow up workflows from the same dashboard. Instead of paying separately for an email marketing platform, everything is included within the system. The platform also very popular among course creators. You can build and host an online courses, membership sites, and get it content directly inside the platforms. This means creator can sell courses and manage students without purchasing additional software. Another useful feature is Affiliate Manager. If you want other people to promote your products, System.io includes tools for creating and managing affiliate programs. This can help businesses expand their reach and generate additional sales. Now let's talk about the pricing, because this is where System.io gets a lot of attention. The platform offers a free plan that includes contacts, email marketing, funnels, and several core business tools. For many beginners, this free plan is enough to start an online business before upgrading later. One of the biggest advantages of System.io is value of money. Many users choose it because it replaces several separate tools. Instead of paying for funnel software, email marketing software, course hosting, and automation platforms individually, you can manage everything from one place. Of course, no platform is perfect. Some users feel the design templates are more functional than beautiful. Others mention that advanced businesses may eventually need more sophisticated CRM systems or enterprise level automation tools. However, for beginner creators, affiliate marketers, coaches, and small business owners, these limitations may not be a major concern. Now, let's answer the big question. Is System.io worth it? If you want a simple platform that combines funnels, email marketing, automation, online courses, website, and affiliate management without a complicated setup process, System.io is definitely worth to considering. It may not have every advanced feature found in the expensive enterprise software, but delivers a huge amount of functionality for beginners and growing businesses. Overall, System.io succeeds because It focuses on simplicity while still providing the core tools most online businesses need. That's it basically for today's video. Hope this video helped you understand what System.io offers and whether it may be the right platform for your business. If you enjoyed this video, make sure like, subscribe and check the description links for special software offers and discounts. Thank you so much for watching Easy Access Tech, and I will see you in the next video.